Arabica coffee history, cultivation, and plant habit. Traditionally, coffee had a role in promoting slavery in the Caribbean. Over 1 million slaves were brought to Cuba to cultivate Coffee Arabica trees, a sad part of every history. Nowadays, developing countries grow 70 to 80% of the total coffee of the world. Arabica coffee history, Typica and Bourbon Beans. Can you trace the plantation history of Arabica? Yes, but only if you break it into the main species of Arabica. Here is more about the history of Typica and Bourbon Beans, two known types of Arabica. Recent DNA fingerprinting has confirmed Coffee Arabica's old Indian varieties. These are Coorg and Kent, from Bourbon Variety of Coffee Arabica. Is it necessary to know here? Yes, it is. It shows that the first seeds that Baba Budan sent to India from Yemen in 1670 included Bourbon and Typica groups. It serves as a sign that the Typica beans parted from Bourbon when the Dutch brought seeds in 1696 and 1699. Hence, Dutch didn't get Typica from Yemen but India.